Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated Google Pixel 10 Pro, which has generated quite the buzz even before its official launch. Just when we thought the Pixel 9 series had the spotlight, leaks regarding the Pixel 10 lineup started to emerge, hinting at some exciting developments for Google's flagship series. Recent reports have revealed code names for 4 upcoming Pixel 10 models. The standard Pixel 10 is codenamed Frankle. The Pixel 10 Pro is known as Blazer. The Pixel 10 Pro XL is referred to as Mustang. And the foldable variant, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, is called Rango. These names seem to draw inspiration from horse breeds and famous racehorses, potentially symbolizing speed and performance. One of the most significant takeaways from these leaks is that Google appears to be maintaining the same 4-device lineup that we saw with the Pixel 9 series. This continuity suggests that the compact Pixel 10 Pro will indeed carry on, which is great news for fans who appreciated its size and performance. However, it's also been confirmed that there will be no Pixel 10 XL, meaning users seeking a more affordable large-screen flagship may have to look elsewhere. Additionally, the leaks reaffirmed the existence of the Pixel 9a, codenamed Tuyu, a type of lizard. This model is expected to be released at Google I/O 2025 in May, keeping in line with Google's tradition of unveiling new models at their annual developer conference. While all this information is exciting, it's important to note that the Pixel 10 lineup is still months away from launch, likely not being announced before August 2025. With such a long wait ahead, we can expect more leaks and rumors to trickle out in the coming months, gradually revealing additional details about Google's next-generation smartphones. So, what do you think about the upcoming Google Pixel 10 Pro? Are you excited for its features? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what we can expect from this highly anticipated device. When it comes to the design of the Pixel series, Google has always strived for a unique aesthetic that stands out in a crowded smartphone market. The Pixel 10 Pro continues this trend with a refined design that balances elegance with functionality. Expect a sleek, modern look that feels premium in hand. The build quality of the Pixel 10 Pro is expected to be top-notch, with a mix of glass and metal that gives it a solid feel. There are rumors of new color options, which should appeal to a wider audience. The ergonomics of the phone are crucial, and we anticipate that Google has made some tweaks to ensure it's comfortable to hold for extended periods. Comparing the Pixel 10 Pro to its predecessor, the Pixel 9 Pro, we see subtle but noticeable changes. The design seems to embrace more curves, making it easier to grip while maintaining a modern appearance. It's essential to also look at competitor devices. For example, how does the Pixel 10 Pro stack up against the Samsung Galaxy S series or the iPhone lineup? The unique design language of the Pixel 10 Pro could be a significant selling point, especially for users seeking something different. Now, let's talk about the display, which is one of the most critical aspects of any smartphone. The Pixel 10 Pro is expected to feature a stunning display with a size that likely hovers around 6.7 inches, providing a large canvas for media consumption and gaming. The resolution is rumored to be a crisp QHD+, making everything from photos to videos pop with vibrant colors and sharp details. A high refresh rate of 120 Hz is also anticipated, ensuring smooth scrolling and an improved gaming experience. This is particularly important as more games and apps optimize for higher refresh rates. What about the display technologies? We expect Google to utilize OLED technology, providing excellent contrast ratios and deep blacks, perfect for watching movies or browsing through your photo gallery. HDR support will enhance the viewing experience, making it suitable for HDR content streaming. User experience is crucial, and we will test how the display performs in various conditions, from bright sunlight to dim environments. Historically, Pixel devices have excelled in this area, and we anticipate the Pixel 10 Pro will continue that trend. Comparing it with previous models, the transition from the Pixel 9 Pro to the Pixel 10 Pro should be significant. We'll also look at how it competes against other flagship devices, ensuring it holds its own in the premium segment. When it comes to Google Pixel devices, the camera is often the standout feature, and the Pixel 10 Pro is expected to take this legacy to the next level. We anticipate a sophisticated camera system, possibly featuring multiple lenses, including wide-angle and telephoto capabilities, which have become standard in high-end smartphones. The main sensor is expected to see improvements, possibly utilizing a larger sensor size for better low-light performance and overall image quality. Google's computational photography is renowned, and we expect to see further enhancements in their algorithms for features like night sight and portrait mode. Video recording is another area of focus. The Pixel 10 Pro may offer enhanced stabilization, higher resolution options, and improved color accuracy, making it an appealing choice for vloggers and content creators. We will analyze sample images and videos to provide a comprehensive look at its capabilities. User testimonials and reviews will be essential in gauging how well the camera performs in real-world scenarios. We'll compare the camera performance of the Pixel 10 Pro to its predecessor, the Pixel 9 Pro, and other flagship smartphones on the market to see where it truly stands. Moving on to performance, the Pixel 10 Pro is expected to feature Google's latest chipset, which promises improvements in speed and efficiency. A significant boost in RAM will also be anticipated, enabling smooth multitasking and better performance in demanding applications. In terms of software, we expect the Pixel 10 Pro to ship with the latest version of Android, likely featuring exclusive Pixel features that enhance the user experience. Google has been known for its timely updates, and this device should continue that trend, ensuring users have the latest security patches and features. We'll conduct benchmark tests to provide insights into its performance compared to competitors like Samsung's Galaxy series and Apple's iPhone lineup. Battery life is another critical aspect. We anticipate a larger battery capacity, possibly coupled with improved charging technologies, such as fast charging and wireless charging capabilities. User experiences regarding battery life and charging times will also be discussed to give you a complete picture of what to expect. In today's connected world, connectivity is vital, and the Pixel 10 Pro is expected to support the latest 5G technology, ensuring users can enjoy high-speed internet wherever they are. We'll also look at Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth advancements that make connecting to other devices seamless. Google has also been focusing on unique features that set the Pixel series apart. For example, we might see improvements in security features, such as an enhanced fingerprint scanner or facial recognition technology. Waterproofing and durability will also be essential factors to consider. We'll discuss the ecosystem surrounding the Pixel 10 Pro, including compatibility with devices like the Pixel Buds and Google Nest products. Users will want to know how well this device integrates into their daily lives. As we approach the launch, pricing becomes a critical topic. Based on leaks and historical pricing trends of the Pixel series, we anticipate the Pixel 10 Pro to be competitively priced within the flagship segment, but we'll analyze whether it offers good value for money compared to competitors. Availability is another consideration. We expect the device to launch in the fall of 2025, likely following Google's traditional schedule. Pre-order options will be discussed, as well as any promotional offers that may entice early adopters. To wrap up, the Google Pixel 10 Pro is shaping up to be an exciting addition to the Pixel lineup. With its refined design, advanced camera capabilities, and robust performance features, it promises to deliver a compelling experience for users. While we await its official launch, the leaks and rumors paint a picture of a device that builds on the strengths of its predecessors while pushing the envelope further. What are your thoughts on the Pixel 10 Pro? Will it meet your expectations, or do you think it falls short? Be sure to share your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates as we continue to track the latest news and reviews on upcoming devices. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.